So in this video, we're going to look at factorising harder quadratics. So this is when the coefficient in front of the x squared is bigger than 1. So in this case, we have 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. So our a value is 2, our b value is 6, and our c value is 4. Now we're going to do the same process as factorising normal quadratics. So we want two numbers that add to make the b value, which is 6. But instead now we're thinking 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 gives us 8. So we need to think of two numbers that multiply together to give us 8. So I'm going to list these on the right hand side. So we could have 4 and 2 or 8 and 1. We could also have -4 and -2 and -8 and -1. However, as our quadratic has no negatives, we're only going to be looking at the positive version. So if we have a look at our options, we can see that 4 plus 2 is going to give us 6. So that's what we're going to choose. And instead of putting it straight into the brackets, which is what we would do with our other quadratics, we're going to rewrite this quadratic and just replace the x's with 4x and with 2x. So if you can see, all I've done is change that 6x to be plus 4x plus 2x, because this is what we found out on the right hand side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to split this down the middle, so we have two terms on each side, and we're going to factorise each side. So factorising the left hand side, we can see we can take 2x out of that, and then we would have x plus 2 inside the bracket. And you can check this. So 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times 2 is 4x. So factorising the right hand side, we would have 2 on the outside, and then we'd have x plus 2. You should notice when you do this that these two brackets are the same. If they're not the same, then just revisit your work, because you may have made a small error somewhere, but they should be the same. And hence, that is one of your brackets when you're factorising. The other bracket is what is left over, so what is left on the outside, so it's 2x and it's positive 2, so it's 2x plus 2. It doesn't matter which way around you want to write it, so you can write it this way as well. But that would be your answer for factorising that. Remember as well, you can check your answer by multiplying it out. So 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 2 is 4x, plus 2x, plus 4. And simplifying that gives us what we had up here.